Get noticed in this 2007 Ford Expedition EL. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle qualifies for our free Super Guarantee Autos Vehicle Warranty Program. Buy a vehicle and get a free warranty from us, only at everycarlisted.com. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.